How to disable your Discord account in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable your Discord account fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to Discord. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on this option down here. Click on it and it will take you to this page right here. Now here you will find many options, but you have to choose the second one, my account. Click on it like this, and now go down until you find disable account option and click on it like this, and now you can disable your account from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.